Take heed that you words we budget from idle fancies and worldly desires, and your deeds be cleansed from craftiness and suspicions. Despite not the wealth of the precious life, in the pursuits of evil and corrupt affection. Now let your endeavors be spent in promoting your personal interest.
All my servants for you to discover the hidden, the swallow sultan of my incorruptible world, my incorruptible world. He would offer certainty as demons nothing in the world lay. The entire creation, the entire creation.
The happiness and greatness, the rank and station, the pleasure and peace of an individual have never consisted in his personal world, but rather in his actions.